Oras na naman po para sa ating The Real Estate Buzz, Real Estate Update dito sa Kababayan Today.
This Real Estate Buzz segment is brought to you by McLeod and Associates, a full-service real estate and mortgage firm. It's not about the number of homes we sell, it's about the difference we make in people's lives.
Si Binibining Mia McLeod po ang regular na nagpapaliwanag sa atin ng mga pasikot-sikot at masalimuot na mga usapin tungkol sa real estate. Hello, kamusta at magandang hapon sa iyo.
Thanks. Wow, if I can only speak like that, that would be awesome.
Okay.
But I do have my Tagalog phrase
for the week.
For today, yes.
Okay, what is it?
Magandang hapon po sa mga viewers. Maraming salamat po sa suporta ninyo.
Right. At least she's trying, right?
Ayan,
Okay.
nag-aaral pa lang ako.
Ayan. All right. Sana mag-aral ka ng mas mabilis.
I know.
All right. Mia is here to talk to us about the financial perks of home ownership. I know not too long ago, for back to school, we talked about how it helps your kids in school.
Yes,
and now there are also financial perks of owning a home.
Yeah, so these stats came out also by the National Association of Realtors recently, and I really wanted to share it because it was surprising for me to see as well the difference between net worth of a homeowner versus a renter. But did you know it's a homeowner's net worth is 45.9 times that of a renter?
Why is that?
So, you know, I'm sure there's lots of reasons, but I think, you know, the responsibility of owning a home and having that pride of making sure you take care of it, not only that, but the equity position, the tax deductions that you can get. There's a lot of other perks too. The federal government is also trying to give tax incentives to those who are more energy efficient through Energy Star. So I know they give about $500 of tax credits. Not only that, there's a mortgage interest deduction, which we are all aware of, and you want to double check and consult with your CPA on this. But me personally, when I first bought my first house, I already saw the tax advantages as a homeowner at a young age. So on average, I think stats are saying homeowners deduct a mortgage interest of about $3,000 a year. So those are all
malaki yung nasa save ng mga homeowners in terms of taxes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, there are some questions here that I would like us to go through.
Okay.
Are buying multiple properties.
Yes.
So I would like to buy another house, but I need to sell my current home so I can use the equity as down payment. Is that possible?
Yes.
Can you do that?
Yes. So that sounds like a contingency sale. So what that says is you are selling your house contingent upon you buying another property. So there are different ways you can work through that. You can have a longer escrow, maybe not a 30-day escrow with a buyer, but ask them for an extension of 90 days to allow you to close up your other escrow and find another property.
Right.
Or you can close it up in your traditional 30 days, but see if the buyer that's coming in is willing to while you close up your other escrow. That way, if you need the proceeds, once that's closed, you could take that money and use it towards the down payment of your new purchase.
So do you list your property, your current property first, or do you look for another property first? What?
Those both can happen simultaneously.
At the same time.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's going to be a busy time.
Yeah, it's a trickier transaction, but contingency sales we're seeing more and more often because people are selling through standard sales and using the equity appreciation that we've been seeing in the last few years and using that money towards their new purchase.
Okay, we're seeing a lot of terms here. That's why I like having Mia around, because she explains these real estate terms and phrases to us in a very understandable way. Home warranty and home insurance. What are the benefits, usefulness?
Okay, well, this is great. You want to talk to your home warranty account rep and your insurance agent, but the one thing I can see is people don't think that they should right away, or they reach out to a plumber or an AC guy or something directly. But for example, on a property we recently closed just about a month ago, it was an older home, and when they moved in, unfortunately one of the pipes broke. And so your first inkling is, let me just call, and then you just
have it fixed.
Yes. but you should call your home warranty. They covered it in this particular buyer's case.
Okay.
And then if not them, check with your home insurance. And if both don't get covered, then go to your contractor at that stage, and then you can out of pocket. But there's a lot of savings that you can.
And as a realtor, you can help them with that as
yes,
well.
Yes, as a realtor, a lot of times we have access to who their home warranty rep is and who their home insurance agent is.
Okay.
Yeah.
And as a realtor, McLeod and Associates also gives us listings here on the program for us to have an idea of what's selling out there. This one is just beautiful, and why not? It's a luxury condominium that they just sold in Pasadena. If we take a look at the picture, it's really amazing, Mia. Yeah. And so you cater to different kinds of market.
Yes, and I wanted to showcase this particular property because it's luxury living, it's modern living. When you go outside, you've got Old Town Pasadena. It's in Pasadena, but Old Town Pasadena, just a few steps away, along with the Rose Bowl.
Right.
It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath with over 1,900 square feet. Sold for $720,000.
Wow.
But location.
Oh, yeah.
You walk out, nightlife is right there, and it's really modern living. So for those kind of clients that are looking for this kind of lifestyle, we do cater to that as well. Just give us a call.
Yes, and that's the information on the screen if you want to talk to Mia and some of their associates at Mia and McLeod and Associates. Thank you so much. More power to you.
Maraming salamat.
Yes, more when we return on the show. Don't go away.